In the previous video, we defined estimation as a rough or calculated guess of the amount, size, or value of an object. So when you are dealing with an object and you're trying to know the actual amount, size, or value, but you do not know the actual one, you can make a rough or calculated guess of what that value is. So it gives you an idea of what to expect in the actual measurement. Now let us learn how to estimate length and area. So when we are working with the estimation of length, length has to do with the distance from one point to another. One thing that we have to bear in mind is that when you are estimating length, you have to do this in some measurements or some values, some units of measurements. And the units of measurements that we use for estimating length, units of measuring length. So there are some units that we use when we are measuring length, and it is in these units that we can estimate the length of an object. We have the millimeter, usually written as mm. Then we have centimeter, often written as cm. We have the decimeter, often written as dm. Then we have meter, written as m, and then the kilometer, written as km. Now, when you know objects that have this kind of measured value, you can use that as a basis to guess the actual length of another object that you do not know its length. Take for example, when you know that the thickness of a sheet of glass is measured in millimeters and you're trying to guess the thickness of your notebook, you know that it is not so far off from each other. Your notebook may just be a combination of 2 or 3 sheets of glasses. So in that case, you can then guess the actual thickness of your notebook using the idea of millimeter. The same way if you are working in meters, for example, you know that a meter rule, the length of a meter rule is about 100 centimeters. So if you're trying to guess the actual length of a football field, for example, you can then think, how many meter rule will I place to fill up the length of a football pitch? And using that, you can get a calculated idea or rough guess of the actual length of such a football field. Now, this is also used when we are trying to estimate for area. Now, remember that area is a product of two-dimensional shapes. So when you are working in millimeters, for area, you then work in millimeter squares because that is millimeter multiplied by millimeters. So let's write out the units of measuring areas. Units of measuring area. So if you're trying to estimate the area of a surface, you can estimate it in millimeters squared that is mm with the power of 2. We also have the centimeter square, that is cm squared. Then we have the decimeter squared, written as dm squared. We have the meter squared, m power of 2, and then kilometer squared. Kilometer squared, that's km squared. Now, having this at the background of your mind, you can then pick up objects around you and try to estimate their actual length or the area of such objects. Thank you.